All right, so I wanted to make a quick video here. Look, I've really been thinking a lot about doing the membership thing, all right? Because I can do it on YouTube now, and I'll be honest, I'm really leaning towards not doing it, all right? Yeah, actually genuinely believe a lot of people, actually, like, I think double digits now, I'm just kind of guessing, right? But I do think people would give me like $100 a month to do like a separate membership thing, right? There's pros and cons to that, all right? I'll be honest with you. There are so many different tickers that I want to talk about. I actually want to talk about the major markets more, NASDAQ, S&P, and all that. Truth be told is, like, I'm still hunting for viewers and subscribers, right? So there are things that I just can't talk about because I know the views. You want to know, there's a lot of tickers I talk about that I'm literally doing it for like 4 viewers because like the views suck on it. But again, whatever. You know, I love you guys. But you know, the one advantage is a membership thing would let me talk about things that I wouldn't necessarily do otherwise. Because again, in my head, I'm not going to get good subscribers. It doesn't mean it's not important or anything, right? It's just, unfortunately, it's not going to get me a lot of views or subscribers, right? The bad thing is, look, I really don't want to make like two classes of us here because again, I can't believe how good viewers are getting. I can't believe how good the ticker, like, I'm not saying that shit to like seem like a nice guy, like, dude, holy crap, like the comments and the tickers, and it's next level, man. I can't believe it, you know. So yeah, like I don't want to lose that. I don't want to like focus more on my members because they're paying me and like slow down on my free stuff and you know things like that, right? So I think, just like I said, in general, I think I'm not going to do the membership thing yet. Knock on wood. Knock on wood, I don't need the extra money just yet. I'd like it. Don't get me wrong. We do other vacations or something. I don't know. But yeah, again, I think I've got time to wait there. So the next thing that's kind of been coming up, and it's funny that it's actually kind of coming up at the same time, is like me doing other social media things. So man, I wish YouTube can do screenshots, right? Like that's really the main thing that I think it's missing. But yeah, I don't really know a lot of other things. You know, I actually have a disc. I'm gonna pause this real quick and kind of flash my social stuff. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So this is basically all of it, okay? Nope, not that one, this one. So this is what I believe to be my Discord page, all right? It is just me, but like I did this last time I posted was a very long time ago. You can see here, right? So these two groups right here, someone added me, and yeah, I don't post too much. I probably should a little more, but like, yeah, if people want to add me, this is what it looks like. I think my name is just chart readers. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this is Discord. So this is my Twitter. I am the chart readers here. Dude, this was at 0. I can't believe it's at 400. It's kind of crazy. But yes, this is me right here. And then StockTwits, just chart readers. Looks like there's a space maybe. What's my name on? No, chart readers, no space. Not the here. But yeah, and then I also have a website. And at the very bottom, I say I'm going to send weekly emails. Look, again, I just don't have the time to do it. So I know I have some emails in here. I know I've been gaining emails too. Actually, in like June was, I think, the last like new sign up, and I barely even like promote this thing. But yeah, I'm just, you know, doing my best here to do my thing, right? But let me know what just others think I can like do better. Like I said, my wife's been talking about Thread a little bit and stuff like that. But like I said, I just kind of wanted to share at least where things are in my head. You know, I love you guys, and I will be making some fresh videos in about 20 minutes once the market closes. So, hey, thank you as always.